In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front grille on a Honda CR-V, which is located on the front bumper. After you raised and supported the hood, you have a series of 4 clips that you want to remove. I'm going to start over here on the left, right near the left headlamp. You want to pull up on the center of this and pull it out. After you remove those 4 clips, if you look inside your grille in this area, there'll be a yellow clip. You need to pry on that and pull your grille towards you. The lower part of the grille here where it meets your bumper, there are 4 holes in here with little tabs. You have to push up on the tab and pull out on the grille. Now that we have our grille off, you have to transfer your moldings over to your new grille. If you flip it over, there's a series of clips and Phillips screws. We'll start with the top molding here. There's a Phillips screw all the way down the end. Remove your Phillips screw. Then you're going to have clips here and here. Just want to push that clip down and have the molding pull out from the bottom. Now you have a Phillips screw on the other end of it. Remove that. Once you get your last screw out, just pull your molding off. Now for your second molding, screw all the way over to the right. Same thing, you want to push these tabs down and push out. And you have a screw here. And there's your molding. Moving over to the left middle molding, you have a screw here, Phillips screw. Screw down the end. Push your tabs out. And there's your molding. Now you have your bottom molding here. Move your Phillips screw. Then you have your Phillips screw all the way to the left. Push down on this clip. Slide your molding out from behind, and there's your molding. Now you have your middle molding, which is 4 Phillips screws. And that one comes straight up and out. Now take your center molding. You have a pin here and a pin there. Goes in those 2 holes. Like that. Put your 4 Phillips screws back. We're going to start with our bottom molding. Once you line up all your slots, just push it down, flip it back over, make sure it's all seated in your clips, put your 2 screws on. Now onto your middle moldings. You want to go and insert in here first, then swing down and clip it in. Same thing for the other side. Inside here first, and swing down. Now install your 4 Phillips screws, and tighten those down. Last is your top molding. Line up your holes. And install your screws. Before you install your front grille, you'll notice that there's some yellow clips here. Those get installed in here on your grille. Just line those clips up with the holes. And push straight forward. Once you have your grille clipped in, you have your fasteners that go on the top, here on the left, and one on the right.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.